Morning fellas, Ben back again. This would be my toolkit tool pouch video. This is more like a trail pack which I use on the trails, which I take with me on every single off-road ride. The bigger toolkit goes along with me on the bigger rides, and this is more like a handy quick access toolkit. Yep, so the pouch is from RAG here. This would be a 2 or 3 or 4 liter pouch. Don't really know the exact capacity, but I'm guessing 3 to 4 liters. And we look into what's inside. This is not a waterproof pouch, so this sits inside my bag, my backpack. Out comes the chain lube from PLIER. PLIER is yet to launch this product, but I got quick access. I got access to it, so yeah. Chain lube, this would be an L2. L2 is a more stronger version of their chain lubes. Then what we have is, this is my tire puncture repair business. All the tools required to fix your tires. The tube puncture repair kit, the whole thing is inside this. The valve stem remover and all that jazz. I have some M-seal for a broken engine case or a cracked engine case or cracked anything for that matter. This will be a temporary fix in the outdoors. It's more like the JB weld. I used to have the JB weld, the steel stick, but that dried out, so got myself this. Wishing to never be in a situation to use this. My most trusted army knife or multi-purpose, multi-tool kit. This is the Leatherman Surge. Bloody thing has some 15-20 tools in it, all solid. Used it multiple times on the trails. There's a saw in this which I use regularly on the trails when I get stuck. I have a tendency to wander off, and this is unbelievable. As tiny as it seems, bloody thing, it packs a punch. Completely contrasting to what meets the eye. So that's that. Knife, scissors, and the likes of it. Then this came along with the Leatherman Surge. This has the rest of the gizmos for the Surge. That's a fire stick. That's a torchlight attached to the fire stick. That would be my mini, what should I call this? I forgot the name of this. More like a ratchet again. So not ratchet, sorry. Wrench. Yeah, my mini wrench. Very tiny wrench, if you can see the size of it. Has some duct tape on it. Then I have the ratcheting system that comes along with the Leatherman Surge. This is a ratchet, quarter drive ratchet. And that's the bit kit. Sorry, a file again that goes with the Leatherman Surge. There's the bit kit. Bit kit is inside, I guess. There you go. These are the various bits that work with the ratchet or with the Surge. Then I have some sockets again, which can work with the ratchet. I have some full. These are very different. These are specific to the Leatherman. They're just two-sided. They're just flat, whereas this is the regular bit kit. Again, a ratcheting style system with all the required bits. This would be, what is this for? I don't really remember what I can use this for. Yeah, this would be my spark plug remover coupler. Don't know why this is in here. Anyways, two different bed kits for the Leatherman, and then this would be another pouch inside which we have, this is the glue for the puncture repair business. This would be electrical tape and an assortment of nuts and bolts for the motorcycle. This is specific to the 411, not the 450. And out here we have also some valves, and the valve removal tool is in here. These are so some spacers, some weights, and puncture repair business. And lastly, 100 or less than that sandpaper grid. Valve covers. This would be spoke nipple. Valve caps, sorry. And that's that. Some more duct tape. Well, that's the whole of it. That's my everyday carry trail riding toolkit, tool bag. So if this helped, it helped. And signing out for now. Ciao.